Hello guys, this is Yang. Today I'm gonna show you how to make egg fried rice. As you can see, I'm chopping the green onion right now. I usually separate the leaves and stalk, and they will be used in different order. Now it's time to beating the eggs. I use 2 eggs for a full plate of rice. This is traditional Chinese cured pork belly. It's like bacon, but it's air dried and more salt in it. Of course, you can substitute this with any other meat, even leftover chicken or whatever. Just do the same thing. But I choose this because I want my rice to have a little bit more smoky flavor. Now I'm chopping all the porks to smaller bits because one secret about Chinese food cooking is all the ingredients should be similar sizes. Also, you always want to use the leftover rice instead of fresh one. The reason is rice will lose moisture in the fridge, and this way fried rice will be fluffy. I use a spoon to separate the rice. It's easier for the cooking. Now we are ready to cooking. We got rice, meat, green onion, and egg. That's all we need. Okay, now time to fry the egg. Be generous about the oil. The egg doesn't have to be fully cooked. Just when it turns to solid, take it out. Now more oil in, but don't put so much this time. I'm gonna fry the pork. And use the medium heat to fry the pork. You can smell the fragrance come out of the pork, and you can see the oil is coming out of the fat. Now it's the time to put the green onion in. I'm using the stalk part. Now you stir fry about 30 seconds. You can smell the fragrance of the green onion. Now you can put rice in. You can see the rice has a lot of chunks. You keep stirring it until the rice is separating from each other. Now you see the rice is separated and heat up. You can put eggs in and chop them to smaller dices and mix it well with the rice. Now everything's mixed. You can now season it. I use 1 tablespoon of salt, a little bit of soy sauce. Pour the soy sauce to the side. The last part is put the green onion in as a garnish. Okay, now summarize some tips. 1. Green onion should separate into 2 portions, stalks for fragrance, leaves for garnish. 2. You can substitute cured pork to any other meat, seafood, or vegetable. 3. Always use leftover rice. 4. Put more oil for frying eggs, but not so much for frying rice. 5. Put soy sauce to the side of frying pan. That's everything for the fried rice. Thank you guys for watching.